Good morning, sir. I am Cyril Jenny Pumasino, BSI Isto A. I will present the laboratory for exercise the following SQL statement and copy the output. Find the average salary for all employees. The query result shows two rows representing two employees from the department with code C in SLT. The first employee is Soshi Software and the second is Abi Advice. The two rows in set 0.00 seconds. Message indicates that the query successfully retrieved two rows and look less than 100 of a second to execute. Find the minimum project revenue for all active projects that make money. The result table shows the department code zip code in the first column and the number of employees in that department. Count employee ID in the second column. For example, department DCNT has 2 employees, DWH has 2, CHRLY has 1, and HD Howard has 1. Create a SQL statement that answers each of the queries and produce the output. The results show the minimum revenue 1,158.96 and maximum revenue is 2,040,228.00 among the project that meet condition the having revenue greater than 0. The one row in set 0.00 second message confirmed that the query returned a single row containing these two values and it executes very quickly. For each department that has a project, list the department code and report the average and count all its project. The result table shows 3 departments, A, C in T, admin, and C in SLT. For each, it is displayed the department code, the average revenue of project within that department, and the total number of the project in that department. For example, department AAC in T has one project with an average revenue of 100,000. Department admin has one project with 0 average revenue, and CNLT has two project with an average revenue of 129,175. Find the last name of the employee whose last name is the last in dictionary order. The output shows only one last name. Software is because the query returned only the top rows after ordering the last names in descending order. The one row in set 0.2 message confirmed that only one row was returned.